Earlier, I showed you how to create a new text view and then call a method to change the text on it. What if I want to change the text size? I can just call textView.setTextSize and hit enter, and then just pick a random value like 56. And then I can run it on my device. And this is what it looks like. Wow, that's big. Then I can change the text color as well. I can do textView.setTextColor and then pass in a color. I showed you the possible colors earlier, so let me just pick one, like green. When I run this on the device, it shows up in neon green. If you looked at the TextView documentation, you may have found other methods that you can call. For example, you can call textView.setMaxLines. This limits the number of lines that the text view shows to only 2 lines. If the text is longer than that, then it just gets cut off. To test this, we'll need a really long string here. And actually, in order to know whether this is working properly, I should comment this out first. I'm going to run the app to make sure that this string is actually longer than 2 lines of text. Okay, we verified that it's actually 2.5 lines of text. Once I uncomment this line of code to set the max line limit to 2, then when I run the app, then it should truncate this to 2 lines here. And it does. Cool. So hopefully you got some good practice in with calling methods on an object like TextView. It's actually uncommon to call setContentView and then pass in a single view like this. Normally, the content view of your activity will be a lot more complex, and so that's why we would normally leave it as setContentView and then passing in the resource ID of an XML layout.